I've ended up here with this crazy hanger.
Unlucky.
I said I wouldn't do anything sketchy anymore.
Let's go. Let's have a crack at it. That's Moloney.
Gives a quick rundown on the rig, bruh.
Morning, gentlemen. So we've got a 18-foot XS Force, only one they ever put together supposedly. We did have a 6-litre in it originally when I bought it. Then well, when I say we, I mean Dave always loves spending my money. Went and put a 427 in it. It lasted about 5 minutes. And when we were rebuilding the 427, I thought, let's throw a barra. So we've thrown a barra in it, and mate, we're pulling some good numbers now, so
yeah,
just about to do some data logging and see where we're at, and then cracking out the double dash.
She's equipped with some excellent technology. Check this out. Brent actually took me for a run in it the other day, but I didn't get to go over the boat and give you the specs, so we're doing the specs now. But this thing's a weapon. It absolutely sticks like shit to a blanket on the water, and the amount of horsepower it puts out, it's unbelievable. And it was like the smile was tattooed on my face. I couldn't get rid of it. I was like,
He loved it.
Going to bed having a wet dream that night. I was like, oh man.
So yeah, so she's fully equipped, but with Haltech, full system, everything. Got about 24 sensors in it, you know, so there's no real, all engine parameters are sort of covered.
Yeah, and he's pretty much detuned it to be able to run in the class that he's going in today. Where is it sitting at today with the specs to be in your class?
So me and Macca from Watersports ended up throwing some bigger set of gears in it. It did have 150s, and we've dropped it down to 125s now to fit into the IMCO box. It was a mission. We had to machine them all down and whatnot to get them in there. At 122 mile an hour, we're at 7,300 RPM. And doing the double dash today, we've got to sit at 105. So at 105 mile an hour with the same prop that I'm running, as I didn't have time to test anything different, we're at 105 mile an hour at 4,900 RPM.
Yeah.
So we've got plenty left in the tank.
And if you were to absolutely wring its neck and squeeze the berries out of it,
I don't have big enough nose to do
no, I know, but what is it capable of if you were to actually get there one day? Like, give us the max boost, the max revs, everything.
So max RPM on this would be 9,500. Full boost, you'd probably see, with a bigger turbo and whatnot, you'd probably see 40, 45 pounds of boost. On our runs now, we're only seeing about 18 to 22. I reckon if you stuff one of these into a 21, you definitely see 140.
Yeah.
145 miles an hour.
No, but mate, it's a dream rig. It's everything that you could expect it to be and more. And
it's also feasible at some point, you know, for other competitors to run these sort of motors. Like I was saying to you the other day, like a 1350 or a 1550's 300k.
Yeah.
To do one of these, you're looking at, you know, probably a full setup, probably with everything in it, you're looking at about 50.
Yeah, if you're mechanically minded, I mean, the sky's the limit, and it's not impossible for you to get out here and create a team for yourself if this is what you love to do.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's enjoyable, you know, and the best thing about it, bro, it's not a bit, I'm not here to win trophies or whatnot. I love coming down, just having a chat with the boys, having fun, having a good laugh, and you know, making a day of it. So
yeah, like Brent's a Sydney local. I'm from the Gold Coast. Literally, he just pulled up to me in the car park there, and he's like, "You coming along or what?" And I'm like, I started thinking about me crashing Max, and I'm like, "Oh, this dude rocks up," and he's like, "Come on, grab some nuts." And I'm like, "Fuck, all right."
Mind you, then he got in it and have a good crack at it.
Oh yeah,
He did have a good crack at it.
Yeah, he gave me a drive.
I'm about to pull the data out now to see what he got there, so we'll see what he maxed out at.
Yeah, got to bring it on boost and hear the wastegate flutter and all that, and it was awesome. But there you go, you got the rundown of the boat. Well, I said I wouldn't do anything sketchy anymore, but for some reason I've ended up here with this crazy hanger.
Unlucky!
And
Let's go. Let's have a crack at it. I'll let you have a little drive.
He's promised me he's going to take it easy. Anyway, I don't know how I get myself into these situations, but they seem to present themselves to me, so I can't say no. So check this out. Now we've got nothing to prove. I already know how f***ing wild this is going to be. For those of you that don't know, it has a Barra, which is out of a Ford car, and it's got 1500 horsepower. fastest things I've ever done in my life.
Absolutely today.
Oh, bro.
So at 105 mile an hour, we're only at 4,900 RPM.
What?
We're at 68% throttle.
Brent.
Yeah. So different sort of setup. Well, it's all electric throttle, yeah? Electric throttle, same as a car. Alright? So you gotta bring it on slowly, you can't just jump on it, bring it up nicely, just cruise around, go over, go, and then you'll feel how it is.
Alright,
yeah,
alright.
what I'm doing.
So what Brent was saying, we just did 105 mile an hour at 68% throttle.
Yeah.
I just said to her, this is like one of the most craziest things I've ever experienced. It's like, it's amazing. It's next level. It's like, this is living, you know? Like, man,
Yeah, that boy.
shit, bro.
Just accelerate a bit, you start to fuel up a little bit.
so much, bro. That's once in a lifetime.
Like in the boost bar, how it comes on?
Oh,
128 pounds, yeah? Right? We can probably turn it right up. So, like I said, it's 1,500 horsepower. We might be running 700-800. I'm like, what's that rattle? Hey?
Oh, bro. I don't know what to say. I'm like, yeah, sweating like a pedophile at a Wiggles concert. Boy, thanks so much for that, bro. That's like...
Feel the heat coming out of there, look at that. It's all
Ooh,
yeah, it's hard to turbo.
she's warm. Do you need a beanie or something?
No,
or?
you don't run them. They catch on fire.
Oh, really? Yeah,
Because
right.
we're running so long period of times,
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Like, it's all well and good. Like, you can see all the oil build up here. Like, look how much we were into it a bit.
yeah. Yeah, no, it makes sense.
Yeah, so she just
And it
needs-
breaks down the properties of the metal too, trapping it in, eh?
So, but yeah, man, so she's a cool rig.
Bro, this is f***ing sick.
Big for a day.
I'm like lost for words, man.
Should
Right?
have seen him when he come on boost, bro.
Yeah,
He come on boost.
my
bro,
eyes
see?
just went. Woo!
Me driving.
Yeah, he gave me a stab.
He's just
Oh yeah. Oh man, I don't even know what to say. It's f***ing such the best weapon, eh? It's a f***ing,
oh, she's an ultimate rig.
it's like a jet fighter f***ing plane. You know? The force, the boat itself, it just
Feels good, eh?
it feels so comfy and safe
different,
on the
innit?
water.
No, no.
Like pulling that 105, it sort of felt like we were like stuck like shit to a blanket.
Yeah, you do.
And
Yeah.
while you were cornering, it just
Yeah, no, I've got to work on the corners a bit. We're a bit
Right.
off somewhere.
the steering, everything, it's just so smooth
Well, that's all.
and
That's all.
responsive.
So they're all Astra pumps, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Just extended Astra pump. That's what you hear winding up.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, like, so the reason why I did it is because you think about it, right? All these big boys, right? That engine's probably 300 grand.
Oh, yeah, you need to be a millionaire to have a
1,500
team like that.
Yeah, that's a 1,500 horsepower motor.
Yeah,
35.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, exactly. And parts are readily available for this setup too.